As you can see here on the screen, this are the list of the top winners of this platform. As you can see, a boy seller with a $321, $205, and $189, and this is a win by Joan of $1,210. When you scroll down, you will be able also to see their testimonials of their 100% transparency. I can say the innovation behind this game, nothing short of incredible. You can see that they are also like a real casino. So their transparency has been able to earn them the trust of people, and as you can see here, there are a lot of testimonials which can back them up to show that they are very legit. My name is Basi Ejupajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we'll talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. And if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a platform that lets you play games and earn Bitcoin in every 30 minutes. And the name of this platform is known as peergame.com. So for you to be able to get this platform is to go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and then in this keyword peergame.com, and it will be able to take you to this user interface. And it says it's a prize pool game where you can be able to earn up to $2,000, and this $2,000 is not the highest you can earn. As you can see before, at the beginning of this video, when I show you someone who had the highest win of $4,210, so it can price pool up to $2,000, and you can see here that you can become their partner and earn money, and you can also spin, and you can also try their calculator. So there are a lot of games here. There are blackjack, there are dice, there are wheel game, there are roulette, there are coin flip, baccarat, there are ladder game, turtle race, coin battles. All these games are any types of games that you can decide to play, and you'll be able to earn Bitcoin in every 30 minutes. Apart from this first game, there are also other games in which you can decide to play, and you can click on this view all here so that you can be able to see other games that are also available on the platform. So these are table games, and if you scroll down, these are their top winners which I showed you at the beginning of the video, and their testimonials. And when you scroll down, you see about peer game. If you want to really know about this game, you can click on their about peer game, and you allow it to load, and you see their about us, and you get to know about it. So peer game is a technology company that reinvents gaming. Since the original Bitcoins was reborn in the form of BSV, they were able finally to start building the vision that was set forth many years ago, the frictionless commercial internet. We believe that Bitcoin technology will be the backbone of the new internet, and the gaming industry is about to be disrupted. Our mission, we call it Casino 2.0, is to provide the entirely new gaming experience that is frictionless, fast and easy. Try our games now and enjoy your journey. So you can click on the browse game, and you'll be able to see the games that are available on this platform, in which you can start to play, and you'll be able to earn in Bitcoin. Currently, one Bitcoin is equals to $60,000. So you might not be able to earn $60,000 at a stretch, but you'll be able to earn at least $2,000, $310, which will be able to help you in your day-to-day activities. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.